Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to play Transport Tycoon Empire, and I'm going to show you guys that how I got this mod, which is totally insane. It works for both devices, iOS and Android. So I'm just going to open real quick the tutorial, the game, so you can see it by yourself, and I'm going to show you everything I did in order to get it. Look at this, guys. So if you want to learn it how to do it, I'm going to show you immediately right now. Okay, so I'm just keep moving it so you can see it by yourself. As you can see, it's insane, guys. All right, so all you have to do, guys, you just need to watch this tutorial until the end, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know in order to get this mod. So for the iOS users, we need to make 2 changes in the settings, guys, before we start, and for Android users there is no need to make any changes. So if you are an Android user, you can skip this part of the tutorial, guys. For the iOS users, just follow me. You just have to go to your settings and then go to general over here, and you have this option background app refresh on the top again. You have to select this Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay, select this one. This is important because the whole process will not interrupt because of internet connection, guys. Like this, you'll be connected with Wi-Fi and mobile data same time. All right, and then you just have to get back to your settings, go down to App Store over here. You have this option over here, automatic downloads. You have app downloads. Make sure you're gonna switch it on if you have it off. All right, so like this, it will allow you to make automatic downloads practically, so the whole process do not have any crash or something. So these steps, as I mentioned to you guys, are required just for the iOS users. For the Android users, there is no need to make any changes in the settings. Everything will be done automatically, guys. So the next step, all you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser, and you have to go and search about this website. It's called Find APK Mods. Just 1 second to skip this. Okay, and you enter inside of the site. You have a lot of other apps and mods and games and so on. You can check later if you're interested for anything else. You can get it without a problem also. Okay, just a few seconds to connect to the main page. Okay, you can go to the searching bar. It's easier to find, and press here in the middle and then install. Just need to wait a couple of seconds for the whole process to be done, guys. So by the end of this process, you're going to be able to complete everything and get the mod. Okay, so this is my video tutorial, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the like button.